Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Programmer 5402, and today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial that will change the way you interact with your devices. Have you ever found yourself wishing for a more seamless way to control your Windows computer? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm about to show you how to turn your trusty Android phone into a powerful mouse and keyboard combo. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, streamline your workflow, or simply enjoy a more convenient computing experience, this technique is going to revolutionize the way you interact with your PC. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tutorials and tips. Alright, let's get started. Before delving into this tutorial, it's essential to have the Project Reverie application installed on both your Android device and Windows computer. This software serves as the bridge between your phone and PC, enabling seamless communication for the transformation process. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry. We've included a link below that will guide you through the quick and easy installation steps on both platforms. Now that we have both Project Reverie applications open, let's establish the connection between our devices. On your Android phone, tap the Scan button and select your Windows computer from the list of available devices, or tap on the Manual Input button and type in the IP address and port number of your computer. Don't forget to allow the Android device to connect if a notification pops out in your Windows computer. Once the connection is established between your Android device and your Windows computer, let's take full control. On your Android phone, locate the Windows Computer Tools button. It's the icon positioned beside the Lock or Unlock button, typically found on the bottom right part of your screen. After tapping the mouse control button on your Android device, you'll be greeted with a plethora of useful tools at your fingertips. These include various modes and commands designed to enhance your remote computing experience. Among these tools, you'll find options such as Remote Control, which allows you to remotely operate your computer from a distance. There's also Mouse Mode, perfect for precise cursor movements and clicking, or Presentation Mode that lets you navigate slideshows seamlessly. There are also Windows commands that empower you to perform tasks like adding a virtual desktop, opening the Task Manager, accessing Windows Explorer, capturing screenshots, and many more. The current window already provides basic mouse control, allowing you to navigate your computer's interface. However, for complete keyboard and mouse control, simply tap on the full mouse and keyboard control button. You'll find this button positioned beside the Remote Control button, typically located in the top left corner of your Android screen. By activating the full mouse and keyboard control, you'll unlock the full range of functionality, enabling seamless navigation, typing, and interaction with your Windows computer, just as if you were using a physical mouse and keyboard. So, whether you need basic mouse control or full keyboard and mouse capabilities, Project Reverie has you covered, providing a flexible and intuitive solution for remote computing on your Android device. And there you have it. With these handy tools and instructions, you're now equipped to transform your Android phone into a powerful mouse and keyboard for your Windows computer, boosting your productivity and convenience to new heights. I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in today. I hope this video has been helpful and informative for you. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to send us a message. We're here to help. And hey, if you ever find yourself in need of coding assistance or want to tackle a project together, don't hesitate to reach out. You can find us available for hire on Fiverr, ready to lend our expertise to your coding endeavors. Until next time, again, this is Programmer 5402, signing out.